Itong papakilala ko sa inyo is Senior Crewing Operator sa SCN, Senator Crewing Manila. He used to work with prominent manning agencies in the Philippines, including Magsaysay, K. Dolphin Ship Management. His international experience extends to the National Marine Dredging Company in Abu Dhabi. He also used to work in a passenger vessel of such Princess Cruises and Ocean Village. Currently, he leads the team of the recruitment and deployment team for Senator Passenger Vessel. I would like to introduce you, Mr. Francis Ranola.
Gandang hapon sa lahat ng aspiring seafarer. So basically, yung senator is new pa lang sa cruise, pero previously meron na kami mga small vessel, mega yachts, research vessel, and mission vessels. And then this year, meron na rin kaming Adora Cruises. Soon, magre-recruit na kami ng around 849 hotel staff para sa Manara, yung dating World Dream. So 200, more than 200 ang kailangan natin na new entry level. So ayun, 500 na lang daw ang kulang. Thank you.
Sir, may request lang po ako. Paki-priority po ang buhay sa cruise ship.